Clutter stops 3 times daily are really important to my cleaning routine. They just really help to keep my house under control. What's a clutter stop? A clutter stop is when you visit any place in your home and remove the items that tends to accumulate there. What's a clutter magnet? Well, it's a place that tends to accumulate clutter. In most people's homes, it's a flat surface, like the top of a refrigerator, a tabletop, on the top of a microwave. But any flat surface that you can easily just set something on top and plan to come back and remove it later. This video is brought to you by Aprondiva. Pretty and practical, we believe that an apron can be a homemaker's best accessory. Visit us at www.aprondiva.com. I do a clutter stop 3 times a day, after breakfast, after lunch, and as a part of my after dinner cleanup. That's how I stop clutter in its tracks. What are the prime clutter magnets in my home? Well, the top of the microwave, this railing, the dining room table, and the top of my dresser in the bedroom. The dining room table can be particularly bad because I don't use it very often. It's in another room. I don't see it often. So I can set something in there, meaning to get back and take care of it, and then I don't. And then I put something else in there, and then I put something else in there, and the next thing I know, the dining room table is completely filled with a bunch of odds and ends and things that aren't where they belong. And then I'm overwhelmed and I don't want to have to deal with it. So I've made it a point now that I just don't put anything on the dining room table at all. Nothing. If there's something that I can't put away or take care of right now, I put it here in the kitchen on the kitchen counter. Why here? Because I'm in the kitchen every day. I see whatever's on the counter, and if it's on the counter, it's in my way. So I'm more likely to take it off the counter and take it to where it belongs than if I put it in the dining room on the table where I don't have to see it. My dresser is dusted and sometimes conditioned every Monday as a part of my weekly home blessing. So if there's anything there that doesn't belong, it's going to be taken off and put wherever it needs to be. That means I toss old receipts in the trash. If I've got any mail or other books and odds and ends that need to be addressed, they're going to be put where they belong right then and there. I learned about clutter stops from Fly Lady Cat of Declutter Your Life with Cat. If you are not familiar with Cat, you are definitely missing out. I will link her information in the description box so that you can check her out. You'll certainly be glad you did. So here's my question for you. What space in your home tends to be your clutter magnet, and what are you going to do about it? Tell me in the comment section below. For more homekeeping and homemaking inspiration, click here.